Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 16 of the Wealthsimple Trade TFSA Portfolio. Thanks for following along. If you are new to the channel, what I am doing is I am trying to grow my Wealthsimple TFSA Portfolio all the way from $0 to $100,000 with small deposits along the way. So thanks for following along, everybody. Thanks to all the subscribers that are leaving comments and questions and little tips along the way. It's great to see a community building on the channel, and I appreciate all of your feedback on the channel. So let's just jump right into the portfolio. If you are investing on Wealthsimple and you are following the markets, you know that Monday started off not so great. If it's one thing that I have learned about being invested in the stock market is to have patience and not to panic if there's any kind of drops in the market. We'll kind of see that with our portfolio. Monday was kind of a disaster, but everything now is back up and then some. So take an opportunity sometimes to buy stuff on sale. Unfortunately, I didn't have any funds in the account to be able to take advantage of that and do it, but next time we'll see if I can maybe benefit from that. Let's just jump right in the portfolio. We'll give an update. All right, here we are. We are using the mobile app version. People seem to like this one better, and this is what most people kind of use. So hopefully you like this format. But we are up. You can see for the month we are back up finally. But if you actually look on the week, we can go down and you can see that big drop there. That was from Monday, but we are basically almost back up to where we were. So let's just go over on the last day. Yes, today we were up 38.65, so it's nice to see that everything kind of growing and getting back up to where we were. So we'll just go over the numbers. We'll start with BEP.UN, Brookfield. This is a renewable energy company, and we are up today again. So the share price today is 48.04, which is nice, and our return altogether is $5.50. 2.34%, so not too shabby on BEP.UN. We'll go back, and the next one is Cineplex. Now Cineplex has been down recently. It took a big dump on Monday, but we are starting to kind of grow back up. Didn't do anything like that. I kind of thought about possibly selling it, but I think we're going to let this one ride out. That was the plan all along, and if there's one thing I've learned, it's just kind of stick with your original plan. You probably won't go wrong. We are up today altogether now 6.06%, which is not too bad. We were up almost we were about 21% before, but it's just nice to see that we're still in the green for Cineplex, and I think we're still going to see this build as theaters and stuff open up in Canada. Greenlane Renewables, this one's still down. When we do our next deposit, we'll still add to this. I think this is a good long-term renewable company to invest in. That's what I have kind of decided to do, is one of this company as a growth stock. We are still down though 8.7% on Greenlane Renewables. That being said, we are actually up today. We're up 3.73%, so not too shabby with that. REI.UN, this one's a good old standby. This is the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This one seems to be doing quite well, fairly steady. We are up altogether 10.63%, 43.50. This one's been really good on the portfolio, and we'll still continue to get our monthly dividends from this one, which is great. RNW, this one has been jumping up as well, which is quite nice after Monday. We're up to 21.68 a share today. We were up actually 2.2% on the day today, which was nice to see. And altogether we are up 6.25%, 21.69 on the portfolio for TransAlta Renewables. Solar Alliance Energy, it seems like our growth renewable energy stocks aren't doing that well. Solar Alliance Energy is no different. Right now we are down 16.29%. We don't have a lot of invested in this company. We're just kind of adding little bits into that. Where total return is negative $13.72, unfortunately. The plan with Solar Alliance Energy was to use some of my dividends where I don't have enough to buy a full stock into use up, and use some of those dividends up to get them working for me. But with now that and this is the next stock we'll see in a minute, now that Wealthsimple has those fractional shares available, we'll probably be doing that more than going into the Solar Alliance Energy. Our office real estate trust, SOT.UN, Slate Office Real Estate Trust. This one is doing well again. We're up 1.79%, not too bad, $2.85. This one also as well, we're gonna get our monthly dividends on that one as well. And as we were talking about fractional shares, Telus, this is the one that I purchased with the brand new fractional share option on Wealthsimple. I have oh, sorry, not Telus, it's the next one. This one is Telus. I have 9 shares. We're up 0.33%. Let's just jump into the fractional shares. TD, that's one I was talking about. It is, we own 0.2501 shares of TD. So this is a good way to use up your little deposits. As minimum of $1 you can purchase, and I purchased $1 the other day, but we're down a little bit, 1.42%. We're down 30 cents on TD. We will still get dividends from TD, and how fractional shares work with dividends, you will get a fraction of what those dividends are. So it's all kind of relative, and we'll just slowly start to build our position with TD. And last but not least is VDY, or Canadian High Dividend Yield. This is our index ETF. This one is our old standby. We're going to keep adding to this one. This is the largest position in our portfolio as well. But we are up 1.6%, 15.59 altogether on the portfolio. Let's just go through and show our whole account as we've been going. So as we said, we were up on the day 38.65. On the week, we are still down from Monday, 48.31, but that is okay. I think by the end of the week we'll start to probably get those losses all back up and even, but we are still up. So on the month we're up 0.86 for the past month, but again 3 months 2.51%, not too shabby. We are up $75.66, and because we have been going over 3 months now, we can kind of see our 1 year return, or up to 1 year return, and that is 68.40. So 2.26% on the portfolio. We've been going for just about 4 months if you've been following along the updates, starting from zero as we build this. So our all-time will be actually exactly the same. Thanks for watching, everybody. That was our midweek update of the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. If you've made it this far and you aren't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe. If you like the video, always don't forget, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down is okay too. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you all in the next video.